This app will capture your best gameplay automatically, and it's free. Let's take a look. Outplayed is an app that will auto-record kills, assists, downs, or anything you tell it to record from your gameplay. For my streamer friends, a tool like this will help you create montages or short form video for TikTok, or even Hover. Speaking of Hover, if you are a Twitch streamer and you haven't heard of the Hover app, definitely check out this video. It will help you grow your Twitch channel. Now, obviously, you have tools like NVIDIA Shadowplay that allow you to capture video via a hotkey, but there are very few tools like Outplayed that will allow you to set up exactly what gameplay you want to capture. On top of setting exactly what you want to record, you gain control over all the settings to control that video quality. You can set the app to capture from a defaulted selection of settings or manually set up your resolution, recording bitrate, frame rate, as well as selecting the encoder and encoding preset. With this, you're able to capture lag-free video by setting up the best settings for your needs. However, you need to be aware of the fact that when you're setting up an app like this, it will require resources from your GPU or CPU in order to capture that video. So if you're playing a game and you have a low quality GPU, you might not want to record the gameplay at a very high quality because then it might make your game lag. You can download the app from go.overwolf.com/outplayed. I have also included the link in the description below. After opening the app, it will have you select the games you want to record, then the quality that you want to record at, the allocated disk space that you want for your recordings, and the location that you want to store these recordings. Be sure to select a location that you will remember. Let's walk through these settings and make sure that you have them set up correctly. First, let's select the games we want to record from. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to select Apex Legends, but you can select any number of games that you want to record. The next step is to set up the capture settings. This is where we will fine-tune our settings to get the best possible results. If you don't want the Outplayed window pop-ups to be recorded, deselect this first option here. Below, we will find our video settings. I'm going to set my own custom resolution at 1080p. Be mindful that not all systems will be able to record high quality, and you may have to record at a lower setting. For true 1080p HD recordings, I want to set my bitrate to 12,000 or more. If you're recording your clips at 720p, I suggest you do at least a bitrate of 8,000. Next, I'm going to keep my FPS at 60 and click the drop down for advanced options. I will keep the encoder on NVIDIA and select a preset based on the priority of the footage. If these clips are a high priority for you, meaning you're going to use them for YouTube videos or montages or that sort of thing, I would select the lossless priority. But most of us can just simply use the defaulted option. From there, you can select your desktop audio source and the microphone source if you want to capture your microphone. If not, simply turn off the setting here. The screen recorder section is where you can select the monitor you want to record from. In the stored settings, I highly suggest setting a folder size limit. Once the folder exceeds the limit, it will auto-delete the oldest videos. You can protect videos from deletion by setting them as your favorite videos. Be sure you select a folder location you will remember. Any of the games you have selected will appear in the My Games section on the left. Within one of the games, you can set the capture mode. You can set it to record the entire session from when you open the game to when you close it, the full match from when you start the match to the end of the match, or highlights, which allows you to set what you want to be captured from the game. I choose to record highlights and simply go through and select the events I want recorded from the gameplay. In the advanced options, you can set the amount of time before and after the event that will get recorded. Simply select the slider and move it left or right. You can also manually record events from hotkeys as you see here below. After you have this set up, boot up a game and give it a go. If you're a creator interested in joining an inclusive creative community with like-minded individuals invested in learning, growth, and helping others, then like this video and subscribe to this channel so that we can all start creating better content together. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.